Welcome to Trevor Cable Dad's. Mini Mayhem's in 2 weeks, and I haven't started building anything for it. Let's build something.
I got a new go-kart.
I got this for free.
So I just picked this thing up.
It doesn't have an engine.
Doesn't have an engine. I needed suspension.
This stuff stinks.
And I needed more than one seat. Bingo. But I'm about to fix that. It's got a few defects.
Brother, ew.
Let's put this in here.
What are those? They're so tiny.
Let's use this fuel tank.
What is that?
This is from an old dirt bike.
That's cool. I have a special package.
We're gonna do this as cheap as possible.
So what kind of engine am I putting in this thing?
I already had this.
I'm doing a 212 with an electric start.
I already had this.
A reverse gearbox.
I already had this. I put some bigger handlebars on it.
There she is.
Tires have air.
Yep, I got one.
Brakes work.
A juggernaut.
Fabricating. Put it together.
Gearbox.
This thing's really small.
All right, I'm at a critical point on this build right here. Engine's mounted, trying to get tabs for the gearbox. The biggest thing is I gotta make sure that my pulley is centered. Looks like I'm back about probably an eighth of an inch or so. Actually, you know what? I'm probably gonna move this out. All right, I'm pretty happy with the measurement on this now. Straight, but I think it'll be okay. Fingers crossed. I'm just about ready to tack this in. All right, so now I got it all tacked in. This thing is solid, and it fits in perfectly. And then these bolts just fit right in. There we go. I do have adjustability for chain through the whole assembly. I love it. Lifting the cart on the axle. 1 inch bar fit beads. And I'm gonna try to fill this in on both sides. Guys, I just want to take a second to toot my own horn. I feel like this could apply to many different applications. There's where the engine just mounts to on that 2-inch riser. This piece just slides right out, just like that. I'm strapped in. It's got stock muffler. It sounds really, really quiet. This thing picks up, man. Backwards is awesome.
All right, got the engine plate in. Cut that out of another project. Gonna have to make a custom exhaust. The only money I've spent so far. The cheap Mikuni on there. Had to relocate the shock because it was bottoming out with the original location. Gonna keep the stock gearing. 10 tooth in the front. Juggernaut. Gonna put heavier valve springs in it. Governor delete. I'll have a decent top speed. Got this thing done. All right, let's see. What do? We move the rear shock because it was way up here. It's nice and stiff now. Made this custom seat. Weird bracket. Also doubles as gas tank mount. We had to use this one because the other one was too close to the exhaust. Put the 212 on here. We put this fake Mikuni on here. That was from Amazon. Put some lights on it. Pods and a little headlight. Should be good. Honestly, the only thing I really had to buy was this fuel cutoff. Couldn't use the original gas tank. I put this on here, but I didn't have to. Could have used a stage 1 that I have laying around. So realistically, I could have only spent like $6 and done this whole build. I spent like $46. Super cheap. Bring in the 212 mini quad and my 80 to Mini Mayhem. So let's get loaded up, head to Scott's.
Wanna stay in the sun where I find I know it's hard sometimes. Pieces of peace in the sun's peace of mind. I know it's hard sometimes. Yeah, I think about the end just way too much, but it's fun to fantasize. All my enemies who wouldn't wish who I was, but it's fun to fantasize.
Watch out, I might not have brakes. sounded quiet.
Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it feels like years since it's been here. Here comes the sun, here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.
Good? We're good. Everybody ready? I don't know what you're talking about. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Thank you guys. Yeah.
This one won't run on idle, so we need to get this thing running.
The jets were clean, but the ball has some dirt in it.
You know what I mean?
Could we possibly have a vacuum leak going on the intake?
100%. That ain't it. It's not an air leak.
Throttle cable for this just broke. I pulled it too hard. I'm gonna go and repark this thing.
So right now we're down all 3 machines we brought.
Well, mine's just temporary.
What happened to you?
So I didn't sync up the throttle cables. This engine would go first when you press the gas, and then by the time you were like 50%, this one would just start to go. Anyway, I was just kind of riding around like that. I went to go do a burnout. I threw this one in neutral, and I just slammed the gas really hard, and I snapped the throttle cable right here. There's still enough cable. I think I can push more through, loop it around, and then clamp it together.
And I'm down both my machines right now. All right, let's get to fixing these things. This car, I tried probably 5 different jets, couldn't get it to work. We're gonna try the stock carb and see if it works. Stock carb on there, our own throttle linkage, let's give it a try. I think it's gonna work. I do.
Alright. Okay.
Feels good?
Yeah. I mean, we're working on it for half the day.
It's just bad carb.
Alright. Thank you. funnest thing we have. I love the drifting on it, although like I feel like I'm about to fly right off.
Yeah.
But it's got the power to do it.
Good.
Yeah. It's cool. I just like to flip the throttle. That's where I have the most fun. Because
Yeah.
the acceleration is just like instant. Yeah.
Half day's work was worth it.
I think so.
That's good. It worked out. $46. Actually, technically, I swapped back to a stock car. I have $6 in it. 40 of it was a waste of money.
Hey, you want to ride? I'm going to take you down the big hill. Some speed. Oh yeah, I notices the extra weight. It pushes. It's pushing from the back. Oh, nice. It's safe done.
Now I'm gonna grab this.